wow. MULN is literally doing a reverse split 1 for 100. Is anyone surprised it's going down? Absolutely not. And this is why, honestly, I am so glad when I try to play this support and resistance loan right here. This is why sticking to your area and saying, you know what, if the trade don't work out, it is totally fine. I am going to get stopped out and play another trade. And that's exactly what I did way back in here when I played this massive pump, and this was an A plus. And I want to tell you guys and just learn from my experience, learn from you. Whatever strategy you do the only the A plus setups. Whenever I go against my strategy, this right here is exactly what happens. So my favorite strategy is to wait for 6 daily candles at the bottom band here. When it tugs 6 daily candles, that is probably the best strategy ever. It doesn't have to absolutely do that, and it can still pump. But when it does that, that's when you get the most explosive pumps. And there's many stocks that have done it that I played. So if you look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this was 6 daily candles of hugging this bottom band, which is extremely oversold, and it's a very bullish pattern. And that's why we ran 151%. No news or nothing, just reversion, dead cat bounce is all that was. And then we can make the algos, they lure in a lot of new buyers and then it comes tumbling down. We are still, I repeat, not at this bottom band here. So, if I wanted to really play MULN again, yes, I would be looking for only this bottom band here. It has to touch this ATR4. It does it all the time. Will it get there? Probably not. It's at $1 right now. But I wouldn't doubt MULN. It's probably one of the most corrupt scam companies out there. I mean, I'm not ever going to doubt it because, this thing went from before the reverse split, now that it had a reverse split, $785, and we are at $8. So you tell me. Like, oh my gosh, this company. How is it not delisted? I don't know. Right in here, I played the last time here, so I played it a couple times. You see how when we hit the bottom band and we hug it some, so you hugged it about 4 daily candles. It doesn't have to be precise, 6, but when you hug it some, you get this big move up, and that's what we had. Same thing well before here. Here's an example of just touching the bottom band. So you just never really know, but I will say though, your best chances of making money are playing it at these areas. And this was the biggest bounce we ever had from here to here was a 200% move. And there's prior experiences that it worked way back. I played this thing so many times. It was one of my best penny stocks till I made this little glitch here. I'm still up big on MULN. It's just frustrating because I try to do basic retail things the basic retail traders do. They look at this double bottom bound support, and I'm like, you know what? Sure, I'll be a basic retail trader, and that's what screws me up. It's annoying, but you live and you learn, right? So I come to be, come humble. I want to say, it is okay, guys, to lose. Traders lose in the market all the time. It's about how much risk management are you doing? Are you throwing your whole account on MULN? I highly unrecommend doing that for any stock, but I notice a lot of people that do that. They have $5,000 in their account, and they're like, you know what? I'm just going to throw it all in MULN, and bam, you're now, with the reverse split, you're probably screwed, and you probably have like nothing. And if you didn't learn from that, and you do it again, you deserve to lose your money again, because you got to freaking learn your lesson. I've done that way back in the past. We've all done it. We've all blown accounts. Anybody that says they didn't is lying to you. It's just, learning from it. And that's why I say 20% stop loss. That's what I do with my day trades. I'm switching over to only 2 accumulations, and you're done. Like for my swing trades right in here, you get in right here, you accumulate. If it goes lower, you get in one more time. You set your stop loss 20%, and then if it pumps from there, which it pumped massively, then awesome. That's really all there is to it. You're playing a probability game. Anybody that is still holding MULN, I don't even know what to say. I mean, just cut the loss, play another trade. I promise you'll get it back. I don't care if you're down 90%. If you have a $10,000 account, 10,000 in this, and you have 1,000 left, I could turn that 1,000 to 4,000 in a month, 1 month time frame doing my day trade alerts. But yet, you have dead money just sitting there, rotting, reverse split, rotting, and nothing's going to happen. And you're just going to be depressed, looking at your phone, waiting for MULN on the sidelines all the time. Do not be that trader. I will say MULN is due for an EMA 20, but it doesn't even matter, because at that point, you still gotta wait for your set, because that's what I used along with this. I used support and resistance right here, due for an EMA 20. Well, it didn't work out. It's totally fine, but I'll show you the last time we hit the EMA 20. but due to the massive dilution, this is probably the worst company in the whole stock market that has ever shown this long distance. We have 531 all the way to 918, so 631, 731, 831. You're getting close to 4 months of time distance. I repeat, anything that don't touch this EMA 20 in 2 months is long, unless there's something terribly wrong with the company, something that is just like massively diluted. That's when you know something is just not right. This thing hasn't touched in over 3 months, so you got to be like, okay, I'm tired of sitting on this thing. Have a proper risk management. What is your stop loss you're willing to take? If you have $1,000, then 20% loss, you lose $200. Big whoop. You start again and put in $1,000 in another trade. You make 20%, you make it back. That is literally that simple. But I see a lot of the times is, people keep holding on to it. They think they have to be a perfect trader. They think they're a loser if they lose. You're not a loser. This is literally trading. Nobody can control what happens in the market. MULN, I highly would just stay away from it. It just wasn't a good trade, and go from there. The only time this was a good trade, if you truly stick to my system, ATR4, this is where you would get your bounces. Anywhere else, anything other retail traders are using, this is only the area I'm buying MULN. If it goes there, sure, I might buy MULN and I'll make massive money down here, because I know if it does hit this, it's going to most likely hit the EMA 5 and the 10, as that's where the algos are taken. Look at anything in the price history. What does algos take it to? It could be the crappiest stock in the world. Hits the 5, hits the 10. All right, awesome. Where does the algos revert to the mean? We haven't hit the EMA 5 and 10 in some time. What has happened? We hit the 5, hit the 10. Well, then we come back down. We hit the 5, the 10, we come back down. It is a pattern you'll see with any stock. That's the very least that it's going to do. EMA 20 is a harder target, and it's going to take some time. But I guarantee you, if it does hit this lower band, I don't care how crappy the company is, a couple daily candles hugging this band, it can get a nice dead cat bounce. And that's really all you're looking for. These penny stocks, you're not trying to invest. You're just trying to trade it, get in, get out, make a 10 to 20% gain, hold some more for a trailing stop loss, and make more. That's all there is to it. Now, if you're holding MULN, I hope this video helped you. I've lost money. I've lost money before, but do not let the bandage just, do not let this thing just get out of control, right? There's so many other places to trade, and a lot of people, I get it, and that's why I really want to, talk about risk management. Risk management is absolutely important. I firmly believe 20% loss, you need to get the frick out and just reevaluate. It just wasn't a good trade. And if it just goes above your average where you sold it, who gives a rip? Because something like this could happen where you have an average of $25 and then it goes down to $8 and you just keep hoping and hoping. If you guys want to join the Discord and see an actual system, see how you can get your chart to set up like this, where you only take the plays at the ATR4, as that's going to give you the best trend reversal potential. The EMAs are your price targets, and it's really that simple. Waiting for time distance, waiting for a play to play out. A lot of people would be like, oh, this is close enough to the ATR4. It is not. It has massive room down here. You have to wait for that, and it's that simple. If you guys want to join the Discord, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please hit server shop on the top left if you want to, or it'll be like subscriptions if you're on your phone. But it'll give you the 2 subscriptions I offer. I highly recommend the Day and Swing Trading Plus. It gives you access to everything. I am a day trader by heart. I love day trading. If you guys seen the day trading strategy, imagine looking at this on the biggest cap stocks in the world, looking at a 1 minute and a 5 minute, and learning how to day trade stocks and doing options that I teach all of my courses. Everyone's like, oh, options, I'm scared out of it is so freaking easy. Calls, you want the price to go up, puts, you want the price to go down, and we're making 10 to 20% gains, I repeat, in minutes. And I guarantee you, you guys will be profitable. I guarantee it, because I got the data to back it up. It's one of my best strategies ever. I'm not really swing trading much. If you guys are like, oh wow, your swing trading is really hard, then revamp. Go day trade. Swing trade some good companies that you don't mind holding for a week or two using my system, and you'll be fine. Because I've seen a lot of stocks that always recover using my strategy, and it's been absolutely beautiful. As long as you stick with more fundamentally sound companies, you'll be totally fine for swing trading. Day and Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month, access to everything. If you do subscribe, do it on your computer. It will be slightly cheaper than on your phone. Your phone might charge you $1 or $2 more. And don't worry, I'm going to teach you how to trade. I'm not going to lead you handing. The goal of this Discord is to, and that essentially to have yourself out there and know actually how to trade. It's not just relying what is RTK doing, what is it, what is his what is his trade plan and all this. You know exactly what I'm doing if you know exactly how to do the strat. So I have day trading education here that I'll show you guys how to make consistent returns doing a day trading strategy past any prop firms if you want to look into that. How to draw trend channels and show you examples, and even go live for you right here in the RTK live stream that you'll get access to this. And if you're just wary, hit the link down below in the YouTube description. You'll see me go live every day almost, and you can follow me, get notified when I go live, and all that. But yeah, the journal says it all. I mean, anybody that are doubting me, the journal says I'm up, 28 trades in a row doing my day trades, and that's literally the consistency that I'm showing. Show me a day trader that can win over 95%, and I stand corrected. But I've seen many day trades, I've seen many discords, they don't even come close to 90% win ratio. A good day trading strategy, I repeat, is like 50%, by the way. Because a lot of the times is you cut your losses fast and you let the gainers run. That way your risk reward is good. Whereas this day trading strategy is, yes, we cut the losses fast. 20%, you're out, just like day trades, but we're also making massive returns too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is MULN. My updated analysis is, yes, wait it out. Look for an ATR4. That's the only thing I would suggest. I'm not playing basic support and resistance just like basic retail traders do. And they'd be like, okay, here's support. We see it kind of bottoming out right here. This is support. Okay, and then it breaks it. Okay, and you see how stop lossing out of all these times. It just wrecks your account. You're like, okay, I lost another 20%. And I lost another 20%. I'm not doing that. I'm going to play strictly what the system says, because if I do strictly what the system says, I would have never lost on this trade right here at this support level. I would have played it right on here, made massive money as it went up, and then I played it right on here and made massive money. And that's really the key. It's a unique system. Not a lot of people know about it, and it works fine. I think you guys are going to love it. All right, guys, hope to see you guys in the next video. If you guys like this video, give a like, subscribe, comment. I'll be in the Discord, work my butt off so you guys can make money. And I think it's going to be a great trading day tomorrow for options. We just had the FOMC, so I think it's going to be very volatile. Let's get hyped about it, and let's make some money together. Peace out.